Hi, my name is Laurel, and I'm going to be showing you how to mix and give a Gonal-F 75-unit vial. This is the way that it comes packaged. You've got your box with everything you need in it. You've got a vial of powder, which is your 75 units of Gonal-F. You have a pre-filled syringe of liquid. You have a thick mixing needle. It's very long. And then you have a short little needle that you're going to use to give it. Now this is just for the purposes of demonstration. That looks a little different than the way it's packaged, but it's the same basic principle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your vial, take the cap off. You're going to want to alcohol the top. You're going to add your mixing needle to your pre-filled syringe of liquid. So just twist that on. And this big thick needle goes in here. You're going to add the entire contents of the liquid. And then you can leave this in place and just swirl this around. Just make sure it's evenly mixed. Then when you're done mixing, you turn it upside down and you're going to pull back and draw it all back into the syringe. If the needle comes out on accident like it did, just put it back in and draw out as much as you can. Once you get it back into the syringe, you're going to recap this big thick needle by sliding it on the counter, click, twist it off, and then you're going to take your small little give needle and twist it on. Take the cap off. Now we need to make sure we get rid of the air. So you're going to push until you see a drip of liquid at the tip. And then you're going to give this in the tummy. So for an abdominal subcutaneous injection, you can give it anywhere in the abdomen, but stay an inch away from the belly button. Don't give into an area that already has a bruise from a previous shot. Anywhere you can pinch some fatty tissue is a good spot. Pinch, go straight in like a dart, let go of the pinch, inject your medication, and when you're done giving it, you want to wait 3 seconds, take a Kleenex, pull out quickly, and hold. Wait 3 seconds again, or 10. Look to see if there's any medication leaking out or if it's bleeding. If there is, you keep holding it until it's dry. And once it's dry, you're all done. Everything goes in the sharps container. You don't have to recap. And that's all there is to it.